Today we're making a classic Chinese fish soup, the kind you'd get at a Cantonese restaurant, made right at home with just a handful of ingredients. It looks impressive, but it's actually one of the simplest soups you'll ever cook. Let's break it down. Start with a hot wok, add your oil, and let it heat through before anything else goes in. This is the foundation, so don't skip preheating. In go 6 slices of ginger. Fry this for about 2 minutes. You want it fragrant, not burnt. This is your flavor base, and it's going to perfume the whole pot. Now the most important step in this whole recipe. Lay your fish into the wok and pan fry for 3 minutes per side until lightly golden. Don't rush this part. Searing the fish is what's going to give us that signature milky broth later. Skip it, and you'll just end up with thin, watery fish soup. Pro tip, pat your fish dry before it hits the oil. Drier fish means a better sear, and a better sear means a richer broth. Once both sides are golden, pour in 2 liters of boiling water, straight into the wok with the fish still in it. Bring it back up to a boil and let it cook for 20 minutes. Keep an eye on the color. It's going to slowly turn cloudy, then white, right in front of you. That transformation is the fish releasing all of its natural collagen and flavor into the water. This is the magic moment of the whole dish. Once your 20 minutes are up, strain the broth into a clean pot. This gets rid of the ginger and any loose bones, keeping just the fish and that beautiful milky liquid. Bring the strained broth back to a boil. Season with salt and white pepper, give it a good stir to bring everything together, then add your white mushrooms. Let everything simmer together for another 4 minutes, so the mushrooms soften and soak up all that broth flavor. And there it is, a rich, comforting bowl of fish soup made completely from scratch. Clean, light, and packed with flavor, with nothing but real ingredients in every spoonful. If you tried this recipe, drop a comment and let me know how it turned out for you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more home-cooked Chinese and Asian recipes every single week. Salamat sa panonood and see you on the next one!